Hey guys, today at Dirt Poor TV we received another product that we're going to do a review on. They are the Mudbusters, the mud guards and fender extensions. They're for a Honda Talon X. We're going to do a quick unboxing, see what we got here. And these are the standard full kit with the rear mud guard set. So there are two different kits in this box. So let's see what we got.
They got it stapled shut pretty good. Those look like the rear fenders. Those are the fronts. Those are the mud guards.
Did they give us any hardware in there?
Yeah.
Yep.
Looks like you got some pretty good hardware, a lot of push pins. The instructions for the mud guards, color pictures. Looks like pretty decent instructions there. It's the instructions for the fender extensions. Everything looks pretty good.
So let's hold a couple of these up here and see. Let's just do this passenger side and see what we got.
Okay.
So that's the front.
This looks like a front. That fits right in, nice and neat, right into the molding on the inside.
The texture looks like it matches nice.
Yeah. That matches up with a couple of the other push pins. But you can see where that's all, that fits in there nice and neat. That's going to be pretty slick. So let's do, okay, that's the back.
Oh wow, they stick out there a ways, don't they?
So that's going to be the back. Yeah. Not for sure how that all is going to go, but I'm sure it's in the instructions. And then, so this is, what do they call this, the mud guard?
Yeah, this is part of the mud guard set.
So if that pin was out, we can dry fit it really quick. If anybody's wanting to know where these came from, this is Harbor Freight. Really cheap. They were like $4.
They work great though.
They're the best thing I found for pulling those pins. That looks like that.
Oh, that slid right up in there.
Use an existing pin there. It looks like that. It goes back in there like that.
Yes, sir.
I drill a hole there.
Okay.
And that will look pretty nice.
Well, like I said, guys, this is just a quick unboxing. We'll get these on within the next few days and get the video out there to you. But since we got it in, we just wanted to go over a few things. Make sure to like and subscribe to Dirt Poor TV. We're trying to get as much content out as we can. I know we worked through several different vehicles. We still have some Yamaha YXZ videos coming. We do have another Talon R. And of course we've got the tried and true Polaris XP 1000. So, peace.